go. Naglalakad, gigilid. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Kailangan gano'n.
Lamig at tamis. Cheers. Go, Beshi. Marunong na kami mag-wheelchair.
Thank you po. May umbrella na si Marie.
Good luck.
And do the same on the other side. Say good luck.
15 seconds. Let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Second pattern. Lock fighting.
Wala na second batch tayo.
Second batch na lang. Second batch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Let's go! Ako pa. Oh my God. Second wave tayo, guys. Ayan. Mga nauna sila ng 5 minutes. Kaya natin yan. Kailangan nating mabit yung ano natin last time. Yung sa Quaker na 57 minutes. Try natin mag 50 minutes. Okay, 45. Let's go! First 500 meters. Naabutan na natin yung wave 1. And still, 1 kilometer. And next phase. Galing. Hiking! First water station. Oo, nakakalang ko muna. Nakakalang ko muna. Second refreshment ko, Kari. Medyo busog na ako. Baka lang natin yan. 3 kilometers na. 3 kilometers. That's 1K. That's 1K. So 4 kilometers na pala. Let's go. Malapit na. Currently at 39 minutes. 4.20 kilometers. Kaya natin pa. Oo, ang dami ng honors. Plus 700 meters. Mukha bang 700 meters yan? Parang hindi. Malapit na. Plus 500 meters. Ito na tayo sa Oblation sa UP Diliman. Plus 500 meters kaya ba? 32 minutes. 45 minutes kaya ba? Let's go. Malapit na tayo. Malapit na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa main next. Ay, nauna na ako naglakad. 47 minutes. Oh, last sprint. Last sprint. 47 minutes. 15 minutes. Yay! Congrats! Congrats, guys! We're done. Ano na yung medal natin? Congrats, guys! Congrats to all runners. Thank you! Thank you! Congrats, runners! Congrats to myself! Abid, my new PR, 47 minutes for 5 kilometers. Ayan, actually 5.1 kilometers na. Ayan ang marathon. 5 kilometers. Congrats. Hinihintay ko lang sila. Si Manny kanina pa siya tapos. Di ko lang alam kung nasa. Si Maris tsaka si Julie. Patapos na rin siguro sila. Naon na lang ako. Congrats, guys. For the good luck. Thank you. Thank you. Nakalimutan. And we're done. Tapos na tayo magpag-cup. Kaya uwi na tayo. Uwi natin yung gamit natin. Pagod na pagod ang mga person. Sana masaya. First time sa UP. Nag-enroll sa UP. Mag-enroll sa UP. Diretso enroll na. Congrats, guys! See you on our next run! Bye! Bye! Congrats!
I've been living for the backyard sunrise. I've been living for the nights that end too soon. I've been living for